Good morning. Today we're going to focus on converting customary units of weight, and it is very important that we remember that 1 pound equals, 1 pound equals 16 ounces, okay? And this is something that you almost need to memorize. I want you guys to also focus on this. Pound kind of looks like a 16, doesn't it? So that way you can kind of always remember that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Example number 1 talks about Lay needing to buy 4 pounds of vegetable burger patties. So she needs to buy 4 pounds, not necessarily 4 packages, okay? And we need to see that 4 pounds, when we convert pounds into ounces, we're going to need to, so from 1 pound into ounces, we need to multiply times 16. So 4 pounds times 16 ounces each pound, it's going to be 64 ounces, all right? And on the table, we realized that the packages, they had 32 ounces in one package. 2 packages had 64. And since what we need is 64 ounces, well, how many packages does she need to buy? She needs to buy 2 packages. Example number 2, another thing we need to remember is that 1 ton is like super heavy, right? It's 2,000 pounds. So 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So we're going to try to use this table to realize, how many pounds does a stegosaurus weigh? So let's see. If an allosaurus, a stegosaurus right here, it says that it weighed 3 pounds, right? So a stegosaurus weighed 3 tons. And we know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So now we need to multiply 3 times 2,000. And remember, when we multiply by multiples of 10, we just cross them out and add them up over here. There's my 3 zeros. Now 3 times 2 is 6. So Stegosaurus used to weigh 6,000 pounds. The next one talks about completing a table. And remember, this is kind of like what we did with measurements of length and also when we use functions, right? So the first table is asking you to do pounds into ounces. And remember, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So we're going to be multiplying times 16. All right? So it would be like the rule would be times 16 right here, the hidden rule right there. So we know that 2 pounds, so 2 times 16 equals 32 ounces, right? Which then, if we put it in a relationship, we know that 2 pounds equals 32. Then we have 3 pounds. So what do we need to do? Multiply 3. So 3 times 16 equals 48. Now we put 348 right there on the table. The next one is talking about 4 pounds. So 4 pounds times 16 equals 64. So that would be 4 pounds equals 64 ounces. And the last one is 5 pounds. And again, remember, we're going to multiply 5 times 16 equals 80 ounces, sorry. So it would be 580 right there. And right here it said pounds, ounces, and we have pounds and ounces right in there. The next one, the next table, they're going to ask you to convert tons into pounds. So remember, your hidden rule is not going to be times 16. In the next exercise, your hidden rule, and you're going to be doing it by yourself, would be times 2,000. Because we know that each 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Okay? I hope this helps.